Welcome to today's episode of History Reborn. Today we talk about historic facts. The first cities emerge in Mesopotamia. Stay tuned. Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization, is where the world's first cities appeared around 4000–3000 BCE, located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in present-day Iraq. This fertile region gave rise to organized urban life, government, writing, and large-scale trade. Key historic facts to prove this are as follows. The first true cities appeared in southern Mesopotamia. The earliest urban centers developed in the region known as Sumer. Cities such as Uruk, Eridu, Lagash, and Kish became powerful city-states with their own rulers, temples, and economies. Uruk is considered the world's first major city. By about 3500 BCE, Uruk had grown into a large urban center with tens of thousands of inhabitants. It is hard to call it the first city in human history because of its size, complexity, and influence. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers provided water for irrigation, allowing farmers to produce food surpluses. These surpluses supported non-farming specialists such as priests, craftsmen, merchants, and administrators. City-states were independent political units. Unlike modern nations, Mesopotamian cities were city-states. Each city had its own king, laws, patron god, and army. Rivalries and wars between city-states were common. Temples were the center of city life. At the heart of each city stood a ziggurat, a massive step temple dedicated to the city's patron deity. Temples were not only religious centers, but also economic and administrative hubs. Writing was invented in Mesopotamian cities. Around 3200 BCE, the Sumerians developed cuneiform, one of the earliest writing systems. It was first used to keep records of trade, taxes, and temple goods, showing how urban administration drove innovation. Trade connected Mesopotamia to distant lands. Mesopotamian cities traded grain, wool, and textiles for timber, metals, and stones from regions as far away as Anatolia, the Persian Gulf, and the Indus Valley. This made the cities wealthy and culturally connected. Social classes became more defined. Urban life led to a more complex society with kings, priests, scribes, merchants, artisans, farmers, and enslaved people. The rise of cities marked a major shift from small farming villages to stratified civilizations. Mesopotamian law and governance influenced later civilizations. The need to manage large populations led to early forms of government and law. Later Mesopotamian rulers, such as Hammurabi of Babylon, built on these urban traditions to create some of the world's earliest legal codes. The legacy of Mesopotamian cities is enormous. The emergence of cities in Mesopotamia laid the foundation for urban civilization. Concepts such as writing, taxation, organized religion, monumental architecture, and centralized government spread to other civilizations and shaped human history for millennia. Quick timeline. Number 1, 5000 BCE, farming villages expand in Mesopotamia. Number 2, 4000 BCE, early urban centers begin forming in Sumer. Number 3, 35 Uruk becomes the first major city. Number 4, cuneiform writing is invented. Number 5, Sumerian city-states, southern Mesopotamia. The rise of Mesopotamian cities marks one of the greatest turning points in human history. The transition from small agricultural communities to complex urban civilizations. Many features of modern society, cities, governments, laws, writing, and organized economies trace their origins back to ancient Mesopotamia. Interesting bonus fact. The Greek word Mesopotamia means land between rivers. Land between rivers. Although the name is Greek, the civilization itself was much older than ancient Greece and had already flourished for thousands of years before Greek historians wrote about it. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Subscribe, follow, like, and share for more historic content. See you soon. Bye.